Mug warmer. Coffee warmer with automatic shut-off to keep temperature up to 131.55 with a silicone mug cover, safely used for office, home to warm coffee, tea, milk, candle heating wax. Intelligent mug warmer with automatic shut-off. Coffee warmer through microgravity induction switch to control temperature, no need to shut off. Put mug on automatic heat zone. The cup warmer will work. Remove mug, the warmer plate will turn to stop heating. Mug not included. Temperature control system. Our electric coffee warmer can slow down the cooling speed of hot beverage, keep or warm up the coffee temperature to as high as 131.55. 131.55 is best for drink. Safe and reliable. This coffee heater with 16W low power make the tea warmer heat resistant and fire resistant, allowing it to evenly warm beverages while remaining safe and stable. Please don't expect coffee warmer as a heater or keep your coffee super hot. Life of up to 100,000 hours. Waterproof design. Don't worry if you spill liquid on your coffee cup warmer plate by accident, because it is waterproof. Mug warmer for desk. Have waterproof panel is adopted without need for security concern, as you just need to dry it with a rag. Note: do not pour water onto it. USEFUL and 30-day 100% money-back guarantee can be used in different OCCASIONS home office with different materials: CUPS, glass, stainless steel, enamel for different BEVERAGE, tea, coffee, milk, cocoa. Buy your hot mug warmer without risk. If you're not thrilled for any reason, just return it for a full, no-hassle refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.